What if I told you that you could start earning passive income from the world's largest online store without creating your own products, without handling inventory, and without spending thousands of dollars? It's called Amazon Affiliate Marketing. And today, I'll show you exactly how people are making money online from the comfort of their homes using nothing more than a phone or laptop. And how you can too. Stick around to the end for a simple 3-step strategy that beginners are using to generate passive income daily. Before we dive in, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for weekly videos on wealth building, smart money moves, and online income strategies. Let's get into it. What is Amazon Affiliate Marketing? Amazon Affiliate Marketing, also known as Amazon Associates, is a program where you earn a commission by promoting products listed on Amazon. Here's how it works. You sign up for the Amazon Associates program. You get a special link to any product on Amazon. You share that link through your YouTube channel, blog, Instagram, TikTok, wherever. When someone clicks and buys, you earn a percentage of the sale. You don't need to create the product. You don't need to ship anything. Amazon does all the heavy lifting, and you get paid. Let's say you promote a $150 pair of headphones. If someone clicks your link and buys it, you earn a small percentage. But here's the best part. Even if they don't buy the headphones but end up buying a blender or a mattress, you still earn commission on everything they buy during that session. How to get started? Step 1. Go to Step 2. Sign up and create your free account. Step 3. Add your website, blog, or social media page. Yes, even a small Instagram or TikTok can qualify. Once approved, you can start searching for any product on Amazon and create your own affiliate link with just a few clicks. Use the SiteStripe tool at the top of Amazon's website. It lets you generate links in seconds while browsing. What products should you promote? Not all products are created equal when it comes to commissions. Some categories pay more than others. For example, electronics may pay around 3%. Home and kitchen items can pay 4% or more. Beauty and fashion can go up to 7 to 10%. So if you're looking to earn more, consider recommending products that have a higher price or fall in the higher commission categories. Also, focus on products you know and trust. When your recommendations are genuine, people are more likely to click and buy. Where to share your links? Here's where the magic happens. You need to put your affiliate links where people will actually click them. Some great options include YouTube videos, especially reviews, unboxings, and top 5 lists, blog posts, gift guides, how-to articles, product comparisons, Pinterest, link into blog content, or directly to Amazon email newsletters, with product roundups or tips, social media bios, like Instagram or TikTok. Remember, Amazon requires you to clearly disclose your affiliate relationship. Just add a simple line like, as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. How to turn this into passive income? Affiliate marketing is one of the most scalable ways to earn passive income, meaning you do the work once, and it keeps earning you money over time. Here's the key. Create evergreen content, videos or blogs that people search for all year long. Focus on SEO, so your content ranks on YouTube or Google. Be helpful. Don't just sell, give real advice. Track what's working. Use your Amazon dashboard to see which links convert best. Stay consistent. Post regularly. Test different formats and build trust over time. Once your content is out there, it can generate clicks and commissions for weeks, months, even years. All while you sleep. Closing thoughts. Amazon affiliate marketing isn't about becoming a millionaire overnight, but it is a smart, realistic way to start earning money online, especially if you're willing to learn and stay consistent. Start with one platform. Pick products you love, share your honest opinions, and build content that people find helpful. It might be slow at first, but if you keep going, your content will start working for you, minus 24/7. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. I post weekly videos to help you build wealth, earn online, and take control of your financial future. And let me know in the comments, what kind of products would you promote first with Amazon affiliate marketing? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.